Let's look at the ribbon, the Excel ribbon. Now the ribbon has been introduced since Office 2010, and it replaced the old school menu types where you clicked on the menu and it gave you a drop down list, and you click on the menu and it gave you a drop down. The ribbon is new since 2010. Let's look at it in a little bit more detail. So the first thing is, if you look at the far right of the ribbon, you'll see we have a little up arrow. If you click on that little up arrow there, can you see that the ribbon has now disappeared and you have what we refer to as just the menus. Now instead of referring this to as menus, we look at this as the home tab, the insert tab, the page layout tab, the formulas tab, data tab, review tab, the view tab, as well as the help tab. And if you hover over a certain tab with your mouse, you will see that it actually goes darker, kind of like a bold. So to access the backstage, go to File and it will take us to the backstage. Alternatively, if I click on the Home tab, the ribbon appears. And if I want to fix my ribbon, that my ribbon is always available at the far right. Can you see there? We've got a little pin the ribbon. So if I press, there our ribbon has now been fixed. Now the ribbon is divided into a couple of things, and on each one of these tabs, the home, insert, page layout, we have different groups on the ribbon, and the different groups are separated with this grey line, the separator bar. So we have the home, the clipboard group, the font group, the alignment group, the number group, the styles group, sales group, editing, as well as ideas. And each one of these groups has been separated with this grey separator bar. We also have our insert tab, and once again here we got the tables group, the illustrations group, the add-ins group, our charts group, tours, sparklines, filters, links, comments, and so much more. We have our page layout tab, which is divided into the themes group, the page setup group, the scale to fit, sheet options, arrange, our formulas, function library group, our define names group, our formula auditing group, calculation group. With data, we have our get and transform data group, our queries and connections group, data types group, sort and filter group, data tools group, our forecast group, as well as our outline group. With review, we have our proofing, our accessibility, insights, language, comments, notes, protect our Excel files. In the view tab, we have our sheet view, our workbook views, our show group, our zoom group, our window group, macros. We even have a help, where we have a help group and a community group. Let's go back to the home tab. Just a couple of things. Whenever you see a drop down arrow, as within the home tab, the clipboard group where it says copy, there's a drop down arrow, as well as the font group where you have this underline. If you hover over it, it will give you the tooltip. There's a drop down. With our fonts, there's drop down arrows. Merge and center, there's drop down arrows, and at quite a few places like insert and delete, and within the various tabs. Now when you see this drop down, all it means there is additional options available. So if I click in the home tab in the clipboard group on copy, if I click on the down arrow, I can see that I have copy or copy as picture. If I go to the cells group and I click on the insert drop down, it will tell me insert cells, insert sheet rows, insert columns, as well as insert sheet. Just quickly look at the font group. Next to the Calibri and the 11, we have a big capital A with a blue up arrow and a smaller capital A with a blue down arrow, and this is really just to change the font sizes.